This is Hedwig. He's a very sweet bird. You chewing on my shirt? Yeah, there you go. Sorry for the back of my neck. Damn. Yeah. Wait. Come here. Come on. I can't even see him. Why am I doing that? What are you doing? Don't. I felt that. I felt that too. What are you doing? Alright, I'm gonna relax my head. I don't know if you guys can hear. Sorry, I was watching Vanos on the Switch. Yeah, I'm gonna put the mic closer so you guys can hear him. I hope you guys heard that. Yeah. You camera shy. He's like really close to my ear, so I can hear a lot of stuff he's making. Right. Yes, it's a camera. Hello. Her name is Hedwig, actually. It's a girl. I don't know how you guys can tell from bird genders, but okay. Alright, that's enough for now.